What's up, Yoder gang? Today, we're gonna do a little bit of 1v1 by the creek today. Because I remember on when me and my brother did 1v1 by the pond, one of you guys commented and said that you want to see a 1v1 down by the creek. So we're making that happening today, hopefully. So yeah. So rules are very simple. Just whoever catches the most fish, and the winner, that's the winner. Whoever catches the most fish. So y'all stay tuned. I think this is gonna be a pretty fun video. I think y'all like it.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah, as long as it don't come off.
Come on.
I'll touch it, then it counts. Yes, let's go. First fish of the day. I think it's a green sunfish.
Means you're in the lead.
Yep. I didn't either.
Oh.
Yeah. That was a good.
Unreal, now you got it.
There we go. Yeah. I think it's a green sunfish. It looks exactly like one. It has that big mouth and that color right there by its gills. Look at it skipping. Gotta fish them before they find out you're there.
Told you it was a big one over
Right
there.
there.
Got a bass right here.
There we go. Third fish right here.
There's a bass.
I think that's another green
Here's the bed.
sunfish.
Didn't even see that. It's bed's right here. There's a bass. I'm already in the water.
No, I mean go underwater and stuff.
I'll do that even if I win. Come on.
No. It's mine. I snagged him. I snagged him. Ah, shoot. Four now. I'm four. Oh, he hammered it. That guy hammered it. First fish, huh? For you. What? There's a nice sunfish. What is up with these fish? I'm snagging them right, same place, right through the gills. No way. Jeremy's gonna grab a turtle. Grab him right by the tail. It's a regular
Water turtle.
water turtle.
There's moss on him.
It's pretty cool.
Oh.
Ooh. That's a good one. Creek? No, shiner.
Shiner?
Shiner.
Oh, no, it is.
It's a shiner. Not a big one, I must say. Nice old shiner, 6-2.
Oh, that one is super aggressive. That thing does not like it. Oh, you got another? Okay.
This one's a creek chub.
I can't hook
There
them.
you go. I have 8 now. 8-2. Huh? No. I caught one back there, remember? That shiner.
No, 6.
Oh. Okay, so it is 7. No, not bass, but pretty good sized green sunfish and stuff.
Okay, I take the L.
There we go.
What is that?
I don't know. So this is my 8 fish now. 8-3. Nice. I'll be gladly to catch it for you. Creek chub. 11th fish. No, okay. Sorry about that. 9th. Yeah.
Ooh, go back.
First cast. Come on, first cast. Let's go, first cast. Let's go. Green sunfish, I think. Ouch, that spike's hurt. 10th fish now, 10-3. Right there. Larry, how'd you do that? Here we go, guys. Number 11. I don't know. All right, so I have an 11. He has 3, so that we're ahead right now. Well, I lost my worm right there. So I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I actually finally beat Laramie in a 1v1 challenge. Subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you next time.